Rocket Pool Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Rocket Pool Crypto Staking Platform. Rocket Pool is a decentralized Ethereum staking solution designed for individuals and institutions who want to earn rewards by staking ETH without the technical hassle or the need to lock in the full 32 ETH required by traditional validators. Its standout features include trustless staking, low entry barriers, and a decentralized node network, making it accessible and secure for all users. With as little as 0.01 ETH, you can participate in staking, earning rewards while maintaining liquidity through REITH, a token representing your staked ETH and accrued rewards. Rocket Pool's decentralized nature means it avoids reliance on centralized entities, reducing risk and ensuring resilience. For those who want to run a node, Rocket Pool also offers incentives with higher yield rates. In terms of user experience, the platform is intuitive and streamlined. Getting started is straightforward. Connect your wallet, choose between staking ETH or operating a node, and let the platform handle the rest. Rocket Pool stands out by catering to both passive stakers and tech-savvy individuals who prefer to operate their own nodes, striking a balance between simplicity and control. The RF token provides added flexibility as it can be used across DeFi platforms for lending, trading, or further yield generation, which is a game changer for users seeking liquidity alongside staking rewards. Security-wise, Rocket Pool leverages smart contracts that have undergone extensive audits, and the decentralized node operators ensure that no single point of failure exists. The staking rewards are competitive, and the platform's transparency in terms of fees and performance metrics instills confidence. For node operators, Rocket Pool lowers the hardware requirements and offers user-friendly tools to manage staking, making it one of the best options in the market for decentralized staking. In my usage experience, the platform performed flawlessly, and the integration with wallets like MetaMask was seamless. The dashboard is clear and informative, showing rewards in real time. Whether you're a beginner looking to stake your ETH without headaches or an experienced user interested in maximizing rewards by running a node, Rocket Pool delivers a robust and efficient solution. In summary, Rocket Pool is a top-tier option for anyone looking to stake Ethereum securely and flexibly. It excels in accessibility, liquidity, and decentralization, making it a must-try platform for both casual and advanced crypto users.